Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use Z-League app beginner's guide. First, navigate to the Z-League app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged in with the correct Z-League account. Here, you can tap on the daily loot and spin the wheel to get a bonus. Other than that, you can also get different games to play. Now, you can go to the LFG option shown at the bottom. After that, you can select your gender and language and also tell about having a mic or not. Then, you have to add your birthday in the next step. Before moving forward, select which games you play so you can send and receive invites. Here, tap on the arrow icon and hit the save button to save it in your account. Now select any 3 interests and you will be done maintaining your account. You can also go to the chats icon to do the chats with your friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.